Welcome to Jack's Bronco, guys. Just got the American Auto Wire wiring harness, complete wiring harness. The only thing I didn't get was the tailgate harness. I'll be ordering that later, but I'm about ready to run the rear body harness. So all this goes into the engine bay, down, and I gotta route it underneath the car to the back to hook up all the tail lights and license plate lights. But this is what we got going on. Again, this is a 1978 Ford Bronco XLT Ranger, or Ranger XLT, and it's got the freewheeling package on it. It looks a little rough, but it's been sitting for, I think, 4 years was the last time I drove it, and I was just trying to save up the monies to buy the wiring harness, but little things I've done to it was pretty much cab work throughout the last 3 years. So there's a couple of weld patches on the floor pan there on the driver's side and the passenger side, as well as back here where the chairs go. Welded it, so patched those up. I put sealant over the patches, then I put Pour 15 throughout the whole, basically with the section where I covered it with the sound deadening mat. I'm going to complete the front side first and then work on the back side there. There's a couple patches I got to do and clean that all up to make it look pretty, but this is what I got going on. The whole dash is torn apart. It's been like this since 21, and now it's finally time to put it all back together. Wiring harness goes in first, and then the dash. So it's been a fun project so far, and I always love working on it. I never gave up on the car, and I don't expect on selling it. So yeah, welcome to the page, you guys. If you guys like the video, want more pretty much videos on the process of the wiring harness install, go ahead and drop a like.